Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my last video we have been seeing how we can create the particular user scheme, the to-do schema. So where we have created the schema, we have created the attributes. So in this video we are going to create a routes for the creating the particular routes for the to-do. So we'll see how we can create insert the operation. Basically we are doing the insert operation in this video. We are creating an insert API key, so where all the data it will take in the form of a JSON data, that is basically add to do. So it will take the title, it will take the task, and these all the things will take, and it will just insert into the database. That is what I will be doing it is one. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. So here is the playlist, the link has been mentioned in the description. You can access the particular playlist over there. So now coming back to my to-do list, so here what I'll do, I'll just create a collection over here. First I'll just create a collection in my to-do app. In my to-do apps, I need to just create a particular collection to it. So I'll just create a new folder. So this time the new folder will be the to-do. Okay, so to-do is a new folder. Here I'll just create the new request. I'll just add to to-do. So I'll just create the add to to-do stuffs. So here adding the to-do, so I'll basically whatever the stuff was there inside here, I'll just copy this URL. So I'll just cancel it and I'll come back to the add to do. So here I'll just paste it, this add to do over here. This will be the post request. Okay, so here the API will be the API slash to do slash, I'll just create the API key as a add to do. So I want to hit onto this particular endpoint to add the particular to do. So we're coming back to the to do here. So you can see in the where in the index we have been API slash to do. So then here I need to just come back to my to-do.js. It will take the model, and here in the to-do task, here I need to just create the particular router over here. So here basically I'll just start creating the router now. So let's tell router dot, it will be the post request, and what will be the hitting the slash. Here it is hitting what? Add to do. Add to do it is going to hit. So you can see add to do is going to hit the particular endpoint. That is one of the stuffs. This is one thing. And when I want to add the to do, and I want to add the, before adding the to do, the person should be logged in. So in my front end, you see here, until and unless he has not done login, I am not giving him access to log in the particular to do. So adding the particular to do, that is one thing. So what that is, for that particular where we have created a middleware, that is a fetch user. So that I will just fetch it over. I'll just fetch user. I want to get the fetch user. So this I'll put it over as a middleware over here. So let's comment it. Let's add the to do and use the middleware that user must be logged in. Okay, so this is one comment. I'll just tell fetch user. So add to do as a fetch user. So once it has been there, so now I need to get the all the data from the body. So I'll just add the particular body to it. So I need to have the body. So what is the body here? So body has been coming from the add validator. So I need to just use this one. So that is where body validation result as well as the express validator. I need to use these two things. So I'll just copy, come back to the to do task. I'll just use this particular stuff, that is the body. So here I want to get the title. So I'll just tell if there is no title, I'll just tell enter the title. I'll just tell enter the title if there is no title. Okay, then I'll just tell is length. I'll just use the concept of is length. So at least minimum it should have the 3 character. At least minimum it should have the 3 character of the title. Same way I'll just use it for what I want to just get the task from the user. So enter the task. If there is a task has been not mentioned, I want to get the task. I'll just tell dot is length. So at least the even the task value should be at least minimum 3 values over here. Okay, this is one. I'll just add, this is the third argument we are just passing. First is a URL, second one is an fetch user middleware, and third one is we are just getting all the data from the body, so which is what it is getting. So once it has been said, now I need to use the particular asynchronous function. So whether I need to just use the async. So async will be doing what? It will take the request and it will take the particular response, and it will run the particular URL of it. It will just run this particular function. So here what I need to do, so first once I have been got all the stuff, I'll just use the try and catch. I'll just try and catch exception. I'll use the try and catch. So I'll just try now. So I'll just try to push the particular data. So now I need to get all the data from the body. So I'll just tell I want to get the title, then I want to get the particular task, then I want to get is complete value. I'll just tell is complete complete. From where I need to get? I need to get it from the request.body. I'll just tell request.body. From this request I need to get all the body data, that is the title as well as the task, as well as I need to get the is complete. Is complete is been set to false, that is going to get it. Okay, so there is no problem. So once it is been done, so same way I need to use, if there is any errors, let's use this one. If the errors I need to, where was it? So here, if the errors is there, const, I'll just use the same stuffs. I'll just tell const errors. If the errors is there, I want to just return the response, that is success is equal to, so not the success, I'll just tell errors in the form of an array. So errors we have, that is array dot array. So this is one thing I'll just do it. So this is a basic stuff which you guys know if you have came so far from watching from the first video, sorry, not the first video, the monster video in this playlist. I'll right click and format a document. So once I formatted the particular document, next what I need to do, so if it's work, if it's no error, if there is no error, I'll be getting what title, task as well as the is complete. Now what I need to do, I need to just store the data into the database. So into the const, I'll just create one const to do. So I want to just tell const to do is equal to new, or here it will be the new to do, so which is coming. So this to do is nothing but this is a to do or the models. So in this to do I want to just save it. I want to pass the values. I want to pass the title, then I want to pass the task, and I want to pass the is complete value. Okay, then I need to pass the user. So what will be the user? User will be what? Request. From the request I'll be getting an id, request.user.id. so this will be the request.user.id is going to store once it is been done. So it is done, it will get saved. So this will be working, this will be work fine. So okay, this is the one thing I need to just do it. Next I need to just tell I need to just save the particular to do, right? I'll just tell const, I want to just save to do. I want to create the variable name save to do. So this will be a await function, right? This will be the await function. So because it is a synchronous. Now I'll just tell whatever the to do dot save, to do dot save. So I want to just save the particular to do right now once it has been done. So when it is been, I want to just send a particular response, res dot let's tell res dot send. I want to just send the particular, sorry, let's tell res dot json. I'll just say json is equal to save to do, save to do. So save to do, I'll just tell whatever the to do is being saved, I'll get the particular response in the there is a res.json to do in the JSON format. I'll be getting it over here. So just I'll just save this much. So that is only the insert operation. So once it is, if there is any error, basically if there is any error, I can just tell I can just log out the particular error, or else I'll just set the response. I'll just tell res.status. So this time I'll just set the status as a 500,000. Whatever the error will be there, it should get displayed into the JSON format. JSON, that is the message, message message should be the errors.message. Okay, that's all. Fine. So let's save all the things. Done. Now I'll right click and the format the document. Now let's test the particular API key. Coming back to the add to the post request. So here I need to add two things. One is what? The content type should be application JSON. And one more thing, here you see I need to be logged in. The fetch user I'm passing as a middleware. What is my fetch user is going to do? It will take the response, it will expect me the auth token. Okay, it will be expecting the auth token, that is a login token, who is logging, who is adding the to do. So if it's not there, it is not going to work. Okay, so then only if it works, then only it will go to this next part. So now coming back to my, first I need to log in it. I'll just log in with anyone's credentials over here. So I'll just, if I just click out of the login, so you can see login is working, that is the ARK. So from the ARK I'm just getting logged in. So I want to add the to do of the ARK. I'll just copy this ARK. I'll just copy this ARK to do. So now let's say, sorry, this is the token I need to just copy. So when adding a to do, I need to add the auth token to it. So auth token will be what? This is the token will be the auth token. Okay, so this is the two things I need to add. Now I need to just pass the body over here. So here I'll just pass the name, sorry, the name I'm telling, that is title. So title I'll just keep it as a Django, and I need to pass the task. I'll just complete compl complete in 1 month. Okay, if I try to click out of the send, you can see the data has been 1. Okay, so you can see user is been, it is giving me the user ID, that is 8A14. Coming back to my database, 8A14 is a email of, you can see, ARK, as I said. So because I'm using this particular user's token, so because for that particular user is going to add the to do. So now you see I got the nodes over, sorry, not here in the if I just refresh it, so you see I got the to do's here. Okay, I got the to do's. In the to do's you can see the particular 8A14 user is been added this title Django complete a task, and it is complete, it is not completed, so it is a default, it is been set it as a false, so the date is also been added, so it is done. So now if I want to add one more data, that is FLASK flask, completed 1 month, send, flask is also added. I come and if I refresh, you can see the flask is also been added. Now suppose Aditya wants to add it, so now Aditya wants to add it. Now I'll log in with the Aditya's credential, so I'll just tell AADI Adi. So now I'll give the password ANES. If I try to send, I'll be getting a token of it. I'll just use this token, Aditya's token, in my add to do. So in this particular stuff, I'll just give the Aditya's Aditya's token. If I try to send, now you see with the different token has been added. So now in the body it has been added class. Now if I just tell add node.js, if I send, you can see it has been getting added. Now if I come back here in my MongoDB server, if I refresh, you see here I got the two things, but here you see the object ID. So the user, see here 8A14, here you can see B594, here you see B594. The B594 user is whom? If I just show you in the users, the B594, you can see the B59 user is Aditya, because in with this Aditya is been added, so it is not mismatching each person's, like which users to do is not getting mismatched. So because of one reason we have been provided what we have been provided all these what you can say the user, the to just we can based on the ID I am just storing the to do value. So this is how we can do the insert operations in the to do. Okay, we have done the insert operation with the to do, that is in a to do task we have just created the insert operation with the to do. So in my next video we are going to see how we can edit the particular to do, and how we can delete the particular to do in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.